Guys, welcome back once again. Today I am going to be reviewing the Rampage, and I will tell you the difference between the Rampage and the Raider as well. So let's just jump right in. Here's the Rampage. Got the jam door here. You must have this cocked back in order to open up the jam door. Cock it back. Open up the jam door. All your darts in here. Put it back. Cock it again. I like the trigger pull. I think it's a pretty good trigger pull. It does have slam fire, which I love about this. Clip 25 evened out like this, which is something I really like, other than the holy crap. So sorry, still sick. I'm not using that as an excuse, I swear. Please forgive me. Not on my A game right now. 25 dart mag. I think that's what I was saying. It is a 25 dart mag. It does have a little jamming switch here. Just push it in and twist it, and it'll unjam your darts. 25 clear in the back. Elite symbol up front. And Strike Elite up front, actually. Nerf logo, 25 max. Same thing here, just not painted. Here it's painted. That's pretty much it. It did not come with the stock, which is the very, very bad part about this gun. That's the worst part for me, to be honest. It does come with 25 darts. 2 tactical rails up top. When I'm in like combat and stuff, sometimes toss this little zombie strike long shot scope on there, just because I like scopes. I'm a big scopes guy. Yeah. So sometimes I'll do that, sometimes I won't. But pretty much exactly every time I use the gun, I put the Retaliator stock on there because it does go for my size. It's good fit. I can move it around, good stability. Yeah. And that's pretty much it. I do like the paint job on it. It's pretty nice. I think it's good. Oh yeah, let me compare to the Raider. The Raider did not have slam fire. If you don't know what slam fire is, you hold down the trigger and then just do that, and it'll rapid fire shot. I'm running low on ammo, so I've already shot in most of it, so I'm not going to demonstrate it for long. But the difference is Rampage does not come with the stock. Raider comes with the stock. If you guys haven't seen it, it's got this piece here, but instead of having this, it's like a little post, and then the stock moves to different levels of like length, and so I could have it like this, or like this, or like this, or however you can adjust it like that. Yeah. Oh, and it does have a 35 dart clip, which is designed to cut off all this bottom part here, so just flatten it out like a 12 dart or an 18 dart, any other clip except for the drum, and just flatten this out and then loop it all the way up and around like this. So it's very annoying. It does not have slam fire, but there you go. That's my comparison and review video. Leave a like and a comment. Which one of those two are your favorite, Rampage or Raider? And let me know. Subscribe.